dear students. Today we will discuss about the colloidal states of matter. Beta, colloidal state of matter, that is explained by a scientist, that is Graham. Graham divides the substance into two parts. Beta, Graham is the scientist who divides the substances into two parts. First one is the crystalloid and another one is the colloid. Crystalloids are those substances which pass through ordinary filter paper as well as through the semi-permeable membrane and to form clear solution. These crystalloids can pass through the semi-permeable membrane. This semi-permeable membrane may be animal membrane or vegetable membrane. When they pass through semi-permeable membrane, come into the solvent and to form solution. That solution is known as true solution. And colloid are those particles that are not passed through the semi-permeable membrane. They can pass through the ordinary filter paper but not through the semi-permeable membrane, animal membrane or vegetable membrane or mucin cloth also. That type of substances are known as colloids, and the solution, when these colloids are dispersed in the solvent or liquid, that solution obtained is known as colloidal sol. That is known as colloidal sol. Beta, crystalloids are very minute particles which are completely dissolved. But colloids are not very minute particles. These are so minute that cannot be seen by naked eyes. But these particles can be seen only by the scattering of light. These particles are seen as by scattering of light. Beta, for understand the concept of colloid, when sunlight or a light enter in a room from a single point or from one side, the dust particle present in atmosphere or air of that room will appear only by the passage of light, only in the path of light. That means that particles are seen as only under the influence of light. That influence of light is known as scattering of light. And those particles which are not seen by naked eyes but can be seen only under the light, that is known as colloidal particle. Beta, not only sunlight, these are only under the light. Another example, at the dark night, at the time of dark night, when vehicles move on the road, the path of headlight of that vehicle will be appear to us in the form of a stream, white stream, due to that the particle present in atmosphere will be seen as only by the light of headlights of that vehicle. That is also colloidal. That means dust present in air is not true solution because it is not seen by eyes, naked eyes. But these particles, these dust particles are appear to us only under the influence of light, either the sunlight or some other artificial light. Beta, that particle, that sol, which are appear only under the scattering of light, is known as colloidal sol. Beside these two, we also have some particles which are appear to us by naked eyes. That is known as suspended particle, and phenomena is known as suspension. The particle size in crystalloid never seen us. They are seen only by the scattering of light. In this case, particles are seen by naked eyes. No need of scattering of light or some other phenomena. Beta, because in case of true solution, size of particle is less than 1 nanometer or 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. Particle size is so small that cannot be seen by any of the method, because our eye have tendency to see the particle of 1 nanometer, not less. And particle size of solution is very less, that is less than 1 nanometer or 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. But colloidal particles are so large, size of colloidal particle is so large that can be seen only by scattering of light. But in case of suspension, particle size is as much as large that can be seen by naked eyes, that is more than 1000 nanometer. More than 1000 nanometer or 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. In case of true solution, particle size is less than 1 nanometer, so cannot be seen by us in any condition. Suspension, particle size is too much large that can be seen by naked eyes because size is more than 1000 nanometer. The size exists between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer is not seen by us directly by naked eyes. This particle size will appear to us only by the scattering of light. And by scattering of light, the particle appear, that is known as colloidal soul. The particle size in case of colloidal soul exists between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. Better, this is the size that we can see only by the scattering of light. Or you can say 10 raised to power minus 9 meter to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Clear? On the basis of this particle size, we differentiate true solution, colloidal soul and suspension in many properties. We can differentiate true solution, colloidal soul, colloids भी लिख सकते हो बेटा, colloidal soul और colloids, और suspension and suspension. First of all, use the property. First property is particle size. In case of true solution, particle size is less than 1 nanometer or 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. In case of suspension, particle size is greater than 1000 nanometer or 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Particle size in case of colloidal soul exists between these two because they are never seen by naked eyes. They can be seen only by the scattering of light. Particle size exists between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer or 10 raised to power minus 9 meter to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Now, appearance. Beta, appearance of the solution. True solution, particle size is so small cannot be seen by naked eyes. That means we see only clear solution. That clear solution is known as transparent. In this case, particles seen by naked eyes, that means they are opaque. Solutions are opaque. And these are, between these two, that condition is translucent. It will give only expression. Something is present outside the solution, but not clear. Clear will be seen in case of true solution. Next, nature of the solution. Better, nature. Nature means solution is homogeneous or heterogeneous. Either the true solution, colloidal soul or suspension. When particles are completely mixed, After mixing the two or more component, only one phase appear to us. That is the true solution. True solution, which is appear transparent. That means only single phase will appear. That means true solutions are homogeneous. In case of suspension, when we mix two or more component, during shaking these component, they appears to be mixed. When they will be settled down undisturbed, these particles will be separate out. This is the layer of water, this is the layer of sand, this is the layer of oil, just like this. That means they are separated out. They do not form single phase. That is known as heterogeneous. But in this case, colloidal solid, particle cannot be seen by naked eyes. They are seen only under the influence of light or by the scattering of light. That means appears homogeneous but not actually. Beta, in your surrounding air contains dust particle, mixture of gases, humidity, water vapors. But when you see air in your surrounding, nothing will appear to you. That means it appears homogeneous. But when sunlight passes through it, dust particles are seen by the scattering of light. That means you will know very well when sunlight or any other type of light pass through one side in this room, dust particle will appear. That means you know mixture of gases plus dust. It is not completely dissolved. It means appears to be homogeneous but not actually. Actually it is heterogeneous. क्या लिखेंगे? Appears to be homogeneous but actually heterogeneous. If you want to give answer in one word, answer is only heterogeneous. Maybe in your exam MCQ question, what is the nature of colloidal solid? Option: homogeneous, heterogeneous, appears to be homogeneous, none of these, or all of these. Beta, answer is only heterogeneous. That is one word answer. Next property is the filterability. Filterability means tendency to be filtered out. Beta, true solution pass through the semi-permeable membrane as well as filter paper. True solution complete filter from the filter paper. Suspension cannot be filtered by filter paper or by semi-permeable membrane. Filterability. In case of true solution, particles are filtered by filter paper or by semi-permeable membrane इसमें can't be filtered either by filter paper or by semi-permeable membrane. But in this case, appears to be homogeneous. That means they are filtered through the filter paper. But actually heterogeneous, can't be filtered through the semi-permeable membrane. Filtered और पास भी लिख सकते हो. Filtered और passed by filter paper, but not through semi-permeable membrane. Next, visibility. Fifth property is the visibility. Visibility means particles are visible for us. Fifth one is the visibility. Number of time I explained. In case of true solution, particles can't be appear, never visible. Particle size is so small that cannot be seen by any method. That means never visible. In this case, visible by naked eyes. Visible by naked eyes because particle size is so large. In this case, visible by scattering of light only. Visible by scattering of light only. Only this is. Better next. Next is the diffusion. Solubility. Next is the diffusion. Diffusion means solubility. Particles are easily diffused. Better quickly diffuse. Diffuse means soluble. Particles are quickly soluble. Quickly diffused. Not diffused because they are separated, and in this case diffuse slowly. These are the differences between true solution, colloidal sol and suspension. Our topic is the colloidal state. That means colloidal soul of the matter. Matter is divided into crystalloid. Crystalloid form true solution. Suspended particle, large size particle, that is suspension. And third is the colloids. Third one is the colloids. Colloids form colloidal soul. Beta, colloids are the particles when they are mixed with certain medium to give colloidal soul. Colloidal soul is just like solution. Binary solution made up of two components, solute and solvent. Like solution, this colloidal soul also consists of two components. Solute. Just like solute, it is dispersed phase. Dispersed phase. Beta, dispersed phase of colloidal soul is just like solute of the solution, and solvent is just like dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. Dispersion medium is just like solvent of the solution. What is solute? Solute is the substance which is dissolved and used in less quantity. In the same way, dispersed phase is the particle or is the substance which is dispersed into dispersion medium. Beta, in case of air is mixed with dust particle. These dust particles are not soluble completely, they are only dispersed. That means these dust particles are known as dispersed phase. And air consists of mixture of gases. These gases are known as dispersion medium. Dispersed phase is the substance which is dispersed in the dispersion medium. That means dispersed phase is used in less amount. And in case of dispersion medium is the medium in which dispersed phase is dispersed. That is used in large amount, just like solvent. If in your exam, what is dispersed phase? Dispersed phase is the solute of dispersed phase is just like the solute of dispersion medium. Sorry, dispersed phase is just like solute of the solution which is used in less amount and is dispersed in the dispersion medium. What is dispersion phase? It is just like solvent of the solution in which dispersed phase is dispersed. These are the definition. Beta, classification of colloidal salt. Classification of colloidal salt. Colloidal salts are classified on the basis of physical state. Of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Better types of solution on the basis of physical state of solute and solvent. Solutions are of 9 types. Solute in solvent, solid in solid, liquid in solid, gas in solid. Solid in liquid, liquid in liquid, gas in liquid. Just like this. Better, gases do not have any surface. Gases do not have any surface. On the basis of this physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, colloidal salts are of 8 types. Beta, dispersed phase, dispersion medium, types of salt, colloidal salt or salt, and example. Dispersed phase is solid. Dispersion medium also solid. It is known as solid salt. It is known as solid salt. Example of this solid salt is beta, glass is solid, large amount, and color in the glass that we will be added is also solid, and this color is not dissolved in the glass. It will only disperse. Then example is colored glass. Example is colored glass. Now dispersed phase is solid, dispersion medium is liquid. Dispersed phase is solid, dispersion medium is liquid. It is generally known as sol. It is generally known as sol. Example, paint. Beta, example, paint that will be applied on the wooden article or iron articles. Now, dispersed phase is solid, dispersion medium is gas. When gas is used as dispersion medium, either the dispersed phase solid, liquid. Dispersed phase may be solid, dispersed phase may be liquid. If dispersion medium is gas, that solution is known as aerosol. That solution is known as aerosol. Example, smoke. Example is smoke. Or dust in air also. Next, dispersed phase is liquid, dispersion medium is solid. Dispersed phase is liquid, dispersion medium is solid. That is known as gel. That is known as gel. Example, better example, cheese, butter, etc. Both are liquid. Dispersed phase and dispersion medium both are liquid. then it is known as emulsion. Then it is known as emulsion. Give example of emulsion. Beta, example of emulsion, best example is the milk. Milk is the best example of emulsion. Now, disperse phase is liquid and dispersion medium is gas. Beta, if dispersion medium is gas, type of sol is aerosol. Type of sol is aerosol. Find the example. That is gas. Disperse phase is liquid. That means liquid in small amount, gas in larger amount. Find the example, beta. Easy one. Fog or mist. Now, disperse phase is gas and dispersion medium is solid. Then dispersion medium is solid. Then it is known as solid form. It is known, its example is pumic stone. Pumic stone just like this one, beta. This is the pumic stone in my ring. Now, gas is the disperse phase, liquid is the dispersion medium. Then it is known as liquid form. Example. Easy one, beta. Soap leather. Soap solution is shake very well. Air bubbles fixed into it and to form foam. That is known as leather. And that leather is produced by soap. Then it is known as soap leather. These 8 types of colloidal salts on the basis of physical state of disperse phase and dispersion medium. Thank you, beta.